cat misplaced my sanity. My cat's been plotting against me, you see. He lies in wait, his eyes like a gleam, a furry assassin, disrupting my dreams. He knocks over my coffee, a sleek little thief. With one little paw, he's bringing me grief. That lounges on top of my freshly made bed, while I'm left to wonder what weirdness he said. He's an adorable devil with claws made for war. Oh, these cats, they're charming, a paradox true. They purr, they cuddle, then shred all your shoes. When they're not with their antics, they just stare at your soul like tiny furry ninjas. They've taken control. Chases his tail like it's hide and seek. With a swish of his whiskers, he's mastered the sneak. But when I'm eating dinner, he's suddenly there, giving me side eyes like, dude, you don't care. Fur balls and thrones, it's their kingdom, I know. Oh, these cats are charming, a paradox true. They purr, they cuddle, then shred all your shoes. When they're not with their antics, they just stare at your soul like tiny furry ninjas. They've taken control. Oh, these cats are charming, a paradox true. They purr, they cuddle, then shred all your shoes.